Deterioration is the gradual loss of a material's desired properties. In civil engineering, deterioration is the continuous degeneration of a structure and its components, which can make it unusable. Deterioration can be caused by poor quality of material, bad execution, and inappropriate utilization. Deterioration can lead to reduced resistance, increased brittleness, porosity, and loss of material. Deterioration can be caused by physical or chemical actions. For example, if a building has not been maintained or repaired for 25 to 30 years, it is likely to need some repairs. Concrete defects can be prevented by 1. Using well-designed concrete mixes. 2. Adding air entrainment admixtures. 3. Proper finishing and curing. 4. Providing a good slope to drain water coming onto the surface. 5. Providing proper cover to reinforcement. 6. Sealing cracks before they reach the reinforcement bars. 7. Protecting against corrosive chemical action by preventing from absorbing moisture. Using protective coatings or membranes on the surface of the concrete. Avoiding overworking the concrete. Properly vibrating to release entrapped air. And saw cutting control joints into the curing concrete when the concrete is just hard enough. Concrete is strong in compression but relatively weak in tension. It can crack and often does. Concrete is also fairly porous and subject to forces that absorb and release water. Absorbed water can freeze within the concrete and cause spalling and cracking. The two most common causes of concrete failure are carbonation and chloride contamination. These cause the steel reinforcement to corrode, which expands and puts pressure on the concrete. This can lead to cracking and spalling. Other common causes of concrete failure include 1. Poor design, such as using the wrong type of concrete or not taking climate conditions into account. 2. Accidental loadings. 3. Construction errors. 4. Drying shrinkage. 5. Sulphate attack. And 6. Poorly compacted soil. You can often tell if corrosion is the cause of concrete damage by looking for rust staining. Concrete defects can include 1. Efflorescence, the formation of white salt deposits on the concrete surface. This can happen when soluble salts are present in the water used to make concrete. 2. Delamination, a serious type of concrete crack that can be identified by a hollow sound when tapped. Delamination is a discontinuity in the surface concrete that is separated but not completely detached from the concrete below. 3. Crazing, also known as pattern cracking or map cracking. This is the development of shallow cracks that are closely spaced and uneven. Crazing can occur when the top surface of concrete hardens quickly due to high temperatures or extra water content. And 4. Spalling. This can be considered an extended delamination. When delamination continues, concrete fragments detach from a larger concrete mass. Other concrete defects include honeycomb, pitting, holes, exposed steel reinforcement, cracking. Concrete deterioration can occur in many ways, including 1. Spalling. 2. Cracking. 3. Erosion. 4. Corrosion of concrete through chemical attack. 5. Delamination. 6. Alkali aggregate reactions. 7. Disintegration. And 8. Scaling. Other signs of concrete deterioration include sagging of beams and floors, excessive efflorescence, staining or discoloration, and damages due to vibration. Concrete deterioration can be caused by a combination of placement and service condition issues. These issues can include 1. Fire. 2. Alkali aggregate reaction expansion. 3. Seawater effects. 4. Bacterial corrosion. 5. Calcium leaching. 6. Physical and chemical damage from carbonation. And 7. Corrosion of reinforcements. It is important to identify concrete defects in a timely manner and plan appropriate repair strategies.